William Nix. I just wanted to take some time to talk about the healing journey that I've taken over the course of the last several months, from where I was up into where I am today. I live a pretty active lifestyle. I work on projects, and I have 3 kids, and I'm always running around with them and having fun. And would hurt my back here and there, and would not necessarily think too much of it, just rest it, get back at it, get back to work. But during a project, I started to develop some pretty consistent back pain, which turned into sciatic pain, and kind of miserable. I didn't think too much of it, just work it out, massage it. Went to some traditional chiropractic, and that seemed to help a little bit, but never actually addressed the root cause.
It helped, but didn't solve it.
Didn't solve it. And then one day I was just turned wrong, and pow, it's herniated a disc in my back, and for the next week was in excruciating pain. Couldn't move, couldn't get comfortable, couldn't sleep. It was absolutely terrible.
Pretty awful.
I knew what that could potentially mean, but I didn't want to go down that path of surgery or drugs or.
Yeah, we didn't want to do that.
No.
We didn't want to do the surgery route. We weren't interested in the long-term medication.
Mm-hmm. So I found Dr. Nguyen and was so impressed by her care and how she took every moment with her patient to understand what's going on, what potentially needs help, healing, and was just so impressed. Even when we first started coming, I could barely walk, barely sit. Laying down on the adjustment table was, I would just seize up in pain. And over the course of several visits, I could see a healing process, and it got better and better as we went through this process. The spinal decompressions are amazing. They're very stretching, but
I can see a difference because just generally it's easier for you to move around,
mm-hmm.
and we're a whole being. It's not just about being able to bend over. It's
Right.
Everything is tied together, and I appreciated how Dr. Nguyen was very in tune with helping us learn proper body mechanics, and that body mechanics is related to the physical health, and it's also just it's tied to that mental and emotional health also, because when you can move about and do things, life seems better.
Yeah, life seems better. So from that point to today, where I'm almost pain-free, like I have some stiffness and numbness, but a lot of it has healed. So I'm so appreciative. I knew it with this condition, it would eventually heal somehow, some way, but I wanted to accelerate that and give the back the proper chance to heal correctly, to heal properly, and not have as much scar tissue. So I so much appreciate everything that Dr. Nguyen has done, and
her personal attentiveness.
Personal attentiveness
is amazing too. So thank you.
So thanks.